Hello and welcome to your Self-Study Mandarin course. In this session, we are going to expand your Mandarin vocabulary and grammar by focusing on 3 essential words that will help you identify people, introduce yourself, and ask basic questions. If you look at our menu for today, we have 3 main targets. First, we will learn how to ask who using 谁 or 谁. Second, we will look at the verb to be using 是 to connect subjects and objects. And finally, we will learn how to introduce names using the verb 叫. Let's dive into the first one. Part 1. Asking who, 谁 or 谁. The word for who in Mandarin is written as you see on the screen. It has 2 common pronunciations, 谁 and 谁. Both are correct, though 谁 is often heard more in colloquial speech, while 谁 can sound a bit more formal. You can use whichever you find easier to pronounce. Functionally, this is an interrogative pronoun used to ask about a person's identity. The grammar is actually quite flexible compared to English. Let's look at the common sentence patterns. In pattern A, the question word comes at the end, subject plus 是 plus 谁. Literally, subject is who. In patterns B and C, the question word starts the sentence, 谁 plus 是 plus object, or 谁 plus verb plus object. Let's practice this with some real examples. If you want to ask who is he, you simply say 他是谁. Notice the order. He is who. Now look at the second example involving an action. Who is going to the supermarket? In Mandarin, this is 谁去超市. Here, 谁 acts as the subject. And finally, if you want to identify someone specific, like asking who is your teacher, you would say 谁是你的老师? Part 2. The verb to be, 是. Now that we can ask who, we need to be able to answer. This brings us to the verb 是. Think of 是 as an equal sign. It connects A and B. It is used to indicate equality or category. In the affirmative form, the structure is A plus 是 plus B. This means A is B. However, if you want to say something is not the case, the negative form, we add 不 in front of it, changing the tone to 不是. So the structure becomes A plus 不是 plus B. Let's apply this to professions and identity. Look at the first example. His friend is a lawyer. We say 他的朋友是律师. Here, his friend equals lawyer, so we use 是. Now let's try a negative sentence. That person is not a student. We say 那个人不是学生. Because we are denying the identity, we use 不是. Finally, let's learn how to introduce names. In English, we often say I am John, using the verb to be. But in Mandarin, when introducing names, we typically use the specific verb 叫. 叫 means to be called. The sentence pattern is very straightforward. Subject plus 叫plus name. If you want to ask someone their name, the pattern is subject plus 叫 plus 什么名字. Literally, this means subject is called what name. Let's meet Mary to see how this works. To say his older sister is called Mary, we follow the pattern. 她的姐姐叫玛丽. And if you want to ask the most common introductory question, what is your name, you say 你叫什么名字?
那个男人是谁？那个男人是谁？
他是我的爸爸。他是我的爸爸。
谁是你的老师？谁是你的老师？
王小姐是老师。王小姐是老师。
谁想喝咖啡？谁想喝咖啡？
我哥哥想喝。我哥哥想喝。
谁去火车站？谁去火车站？
我和弟弟去。我和弟弟去。
外面的人是谁？外面的人是谁？
她是我的妻子。她是我的妻子。
谁有汉语书？谁有汉语书？
那个学生有书。那个学生有书。
谁在房间里？谁在房间里？
妈妈在房间里。妈妈在房间里。
谁会说英语？谁会说英语？
我女儿会说。我女儿会说。
谁看见小猫了？谁看见小猫了？
它是谁的猫？它是谁的猫？
这个人是谁？这个人是谁？
我不认识他。我不认识他。
你是医生吗？你是医生吗？
不，我是老师。不，我是老师。
今天是几号？今天是几号？
今天是9号。今天是9号。
他是中国人吗？他是中国人吗？
是，他是北京人。是，他是北京人。
这是什么东西？这是什么东西？
这是我的电脑。这是我的电脑。
那是学校吗？ 那是学校吗？
是，那是大学。是，那是大学。
苹果是红色的吗？苹果是红色的吗？
是，它是红的。是，它是红的。
他是你丈夫吗？他是你丈夫吗？
不，他是哥哥。不，他是哥哥。
现在是几点？现在是几点？
现在是8点。现在是8点。
我们是朋友吗？我们是朋友吗？
是，我们是好朋友。是，我们是好朋友。
出租车在哪里？出租车在哪里？
这不是出租车。这不是出租车。
你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？
我叫李华。我叫李华。
他叫什么名字？他叫什么名字？
他叫大卫。他叫大卫。
你姐姐叫什么？你姐姐叫什么？
他叫玛丽。他叫玛丽。
这只狗叫什么？这只狗叫什么？
他叫小白。他叫小白。
那个学生叫什么？那个学生叫什么？
他叫张明。他叫张明。
你女儿叫什么？你女儿叫什么？
我女儿叫谢月。我女儿叫谢月。
你的猫叫什么？你的猫叫什么？
我的猫叫花花。我的猫叫花花。
你叫王先生吗？你叫王先生吗？
不，我叫李先生。不，我叫李先生。
那个服务员叫什么？那个服务员叫什么？
我不知道名字。我不知道名字。
这本书叫什么？这本书叫什么？
书叫汉语。书叫汉语。
Exercises.
Answer.
Exercises.
Answer.
Exercises.
Answer.